Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show, I'm going to be testing out the Samsung USB-C to 3.5 millimeter jack, and you're going to need one of these if you want to use a wired lav. And that's what we're using today right now on this show is the BY-M1 lav mic. It comes with a very long cable, and I am recording inside my car right now, and this is a great sound booth because you can't hear any external sounds. But we're going to take this outside and you can do some tests with the audio to see what you think. Leave a comment down below. What do you think of these two? Have you found something better? And what are you recording with your Galaxy S20 Ultra phone? So let's go take a test. All right, let's do it. All right, right now I'm just kind of walking around in the woods, testing out this microphone and this USB-C connector. And one thing I did notice is that this microphone has a very long cable, so you're probably going to have to wind it up and put it in your pocket. But that's not a bad thing because you can do some real creative things with this cable and you don't need to get a wired lav mic. And the video quality on this phone, in my opinion, is not the greatest, but maybe I'm not doing the correct settings. So if you got some great settings for this phone, please leave them down below in the comment. All right, let's go over to the chicken coop and test the microphone out there. Okay, right now we're doing the chicken test audio, seeing how it performs, seeing if you're able to understand me. Got a little bit of a wind out there and angry chicken in the background. So you be the judge. How's it sound? All right, you can hear a train down in the valley, and we got our wonderful chickens right here. A little bit of a wind. So just testing the audio on this right here, seeing how that goes. The chickens aren't very happy right now with me, but beautiful day out here. Doing a little chit chat with you, testing the audio. What do you think? What do you think? The cord is attached to the phone, goes all the way over here underneath my shirt. So I think it's working out great for that. You could sneak up on the camera like this. So this is really nice if you don't want to go wireless, so you can use a very long cord. I cannot see any reason why you would want anything longer than this. So great cable on that. All right, Lucas and I are in the golf cart right now. We're back in the woods, just kind of driving around. Just wanted to see how this microphone can separate the sound of the golf cart and maybe be able to pick up my voice a little bit. So what do you think, Lucas? Beautiful day?
Yeah.
Yeah. Really nice day out here. Let's rock and roll. That way? Okay. Okay, right now I have a ceiling fan going on, and you might be able to hear or not hear a air vent, and there's some conversation going on in the other room. So just kind of doing an audio test right here. Check 1, check 2. What do you think? All right, I got my dad right here. I want to test out this microphone to see if you can hear the person next to me. Got any good jokes going on there, Dad?
Always another joke. Heard about the, did you know that they don't make French fries in France? And they make them in Greece. That's right, bacon grease. So that's the joke for today.
Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. What did you think about this Samsung connector here and this wired lav mic? Tell me what you thought about the sound quality and if you're using something different. Also, make sure you subscribe and have a great day. Adios. Bye-bye.